In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can equip and use emotes here in Marvel Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to equip and use any emote here in Marvel Rivals, what you're going to want to do is start in this home screen and select heroes up in the top of the home screen and choose whatever hero you want to customize. For example, let's say we want to do Emma Frost right here. Select her. And then once you are on your hero, go ahead and select cosmetics up in this top sidebar and then go over to the emotes tab just like so. From here, you're going to see all of the emotes that you actually own. If you don't own one, hit acquire and you'll figure out how you can actually go ahead and get it. But find whatever emote you would like to go ahead and equip, select it, and then it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and just put it on there just like so. And then you can go ahead and just back out of it just like that. Now, when you are in a game, essentially all you need to do is press left on the D-pad on Xbox or PlayStation, or just press T on PC, and this will open up the emote wheel. Select whatever emote you want, release the button, and your character will perform that emote. Now, if the emote wheel is not showing for you, use the left or right triggers on your controller to filter through it, or the left and right click on PC, because it does cycle between emotes, sprays, and emojis. Just make sure you're on the emotes tab, select your emote, and release. But that is it. That is how you can equip and use emotes here in Marvel Rivals. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.